All right, for those of you who want to run your project manually, instead of running this run.sh, by all means, I don't want to prevent you from doing that. Many of you may be on a Windows machine and can't run that command. So just want to give a quick way of doing that. You would open up your terminal, you get yourself into your project, so cd into your project, and then you just run source then bin activate. That will activate your virtual environment, and then you run flask run, and I do --debug, and that should start your project. And then you need to take the URL, come over here, paste it in, and there's your hello world. Okay, so just a quick video on how to start your project back up if you're doing this manually.